Good morning, guys. It is early in the morning. I don't know. Let's say it's 5:30, 5:40. I haven't had to wake up this early during quarantine at all, so I'm a little groggy. But we're gonna try and catch some fish today. So let's get out there. Let's get after it, and I will see you guys out on the water. Alright, ladies and gents, just got to our first spot here. Come up front, get this bad boy rocking. Using Baitcaster is what? An Origin 13 FX rod. Got a Rapala on here. Oh, looks like I might need to change. There we go. Good thing I didn't try to cast with that. We're just gonna see what we got going on here today. Tie on this square bill. New trebles on it.
Nice.
That way I don't have to worry about losing fish anymore, because I lost so many. That day we were out with Mike, I lost so many fish, dude. Nice little square bill. Wow, that was a terrible cast. Oh, dude, that's a fish.
Get him.
Oh, it's a new pole, it's a new reel, it's a new me, dude, but that was a nice fish.
Yeah,
it snapped me. Wasn't even my fault.
Holy crap.
Whoa, that was such a good fish.
Get us back.
Alright, this is going to be a really, if I catch something, it's going to be sketchy getting it in, but Do I have a fish on? I caught a bass.
Dude. No way. Get him.
Nope, there he goes. Hey, I was like, yeah, I knew for sure. I was like, there's a fish over there. You know what I mean?
Oh, yeah.
But I was like, if I catch it, how am I going to get it in with all the wood? That's fish. Tiny fish, but it's on.
Oh, yeah. Put a little baby bag.
There we go.
Hey. It's like the same size as the other one.
Yeah. All right, you guys recording? Gotta make sure. This right here is what we came out here for. Yeah, just a like, look at that. You know, just bigger than the size of my hand, monster bass. Thanks, bud. First fish. Skunk is gone though.
Yep.
Skunk is gone. I've caught a fish in this boat. It's now allowed. All the other fish know it. They're allowed to set foot in the boat. They know I'll put them back. Let's get another one. It's my life, Jake. That's literally all I caught the other day. But I mean, that's what I'm using, right? Using that spinner. I mean, it's only going to catch fish like that. It'll catch big smallmouth and big, you know, trout and stuff.
Oh,
but,
yeah, sure.
but it's not going to catch a monster bass. I'm just.
There he is.
Get him.
There he is. Oh, dude. Oh, my gosh. Get the net. Get the net on this. Oh, my God.
It's all right. Take your time. Take your time.
God, it's
Need to go over to him. Where's the paddle? You're good. Keep it tight. Oh, I see the weed patch you're caught in. See it right there floating? Yep. Okay. Right here.
Oh, God.
Okay. All right. You're good. You're.
What the fuck is it?
Oh, that's a pike.
Oh, that's a man.
Get him in here. Get him in here.
Oh,
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
fuck. Oh, my gosh.
Pliers are right behind you, bud. Your swim jig.
Oh.
Take a gander at that slime ball.
Dude, get my phone.
Dude.
He is. That is a fucking hog.
Yeah, almost all the way down. He's
To the right there.
right.
So I have to measure that. This is what it's about right here.
It is. That and getting a nice release.
Look at his fins. Oh my gosh, beautiful. Can't believe he hit that jig.
Dude, it's that paddle tail. Ooh, he's ready. There he goes. Nice fish, dude. Nice
Yeah.
fish.
Right in the weeds.
Dude, he just that giant clump right there. That clump.
Yeah.
He got stuck. That was awesome. Teamwork. That's a fish. Oh, that's a fish. Oh, dude, get the net. Get the net. Get the net. There we go.
Nice.
There we go.
I knew that'd be a good spot.
Watch, the camera's not going to be recording. Alright, guys. Oh, it's heavy. Alright, I'm going to get a weight on it just because that's, I don't know how heavy it is. But, there we go. Oh, wait, hold on. Alright. Gonna get a quick weight on him and get him out of here. Alright. Zeroed. Quick under the gill. Man. Dunker. Alright. 2.5 exactly. 2.5 pound bass right there. Big old baby. Alright. Thank you for coming out to play. It's a little shallow than where you were, but you'll be alright. Thanks, bud. Big chonky, right back to the depth.
Biggest bass all year that I've seen.
So that guy came on this. It's what is this? A Pflueger shad?
Berkley?
Yeah, it is Berkley. Yep, by Berkley. And that's on my new FX rod and this Origin 13 reel. Wow, fighting with a baitcaster is different.
It is.
So, I guess I'll just a little bit of a lowdown. This is a river, right? And everything flows in here. And we were actually fishing the rapids, kind of. And that's where he was. Holy crap. I love fishing. Alright, guys. I just got done dropping off the boat. Yeah, good fishing session. We got those 3 fish in the boat. I missed that big one. That really sucked. But hey, trying out a new lake, out on the boat, it's always a good time. Yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and I will catch you on the fish side.